You were right, Mark. Brian Burke does look angry. Look at those eyebrows. Grr, grr, anger.
I have happy Habs eyebrows because my team has won the Stanley Cup since after they invented color TV. Brian Burke's going to come in. I'm going to give him some gossip of the Toronto Maple Leafs and the fact that they haven't won a cup since 1967. Now have the longest drought in the National Hockey League, thanks to Patrick Sharp and the Chicago Blackhawks. He's going to be on the show Friday. I'm a Habs fan. I'm guessing he's a Leafs fan since he's the president and general manager of the team. So we'll have some stuff to talk about. He's coming in for a luncheon for the Special Olympics, which is really nice. And if you want some tickets for that, 344-9999. Thursday, August the 5th, over at Fort William Historical Park, and it's a benefit for the Special Olympics, okay, which are going to be in town, I guess, the next year. So if you'd like to help out, and, it's going to be a nice family event. What are you doing?
Your hair is fluffy.
Yeah, my hair's bigger now.
Like huge.
Well, it's bigger. It's not huge. I got hair, yeah. What's your point?
Oh, I'm just saying. Are you going to trim it for Brian?
No.
You're not going to look tempted?
No, I'm not going to. I'm getting a haircut.
Does this go with your midlife crisis card?
Pretty well.
Well, you know what you look like.
No, I don't.
See ya.
Ooh.